like that? Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. In this video, I am going to compare two bikes which we have purchased from Decathlon. We have purchased Rock Rider first, and then we have purchased Between Triben 100. Both bikes are very good bikes, comfortable to ride. But if we take these two bikes for long ride, like 100 kilometers or beyond 100 kilometers, these two bikes have some advantages as well as disadvantages. In this video, I am going to compare these two bikes, and I am going to give you precise information about the advantages of these two bikes and as well as the disadvantages of these two bikes. But before I start the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates and information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. Now without any delay, let me begin the video and going to compare these two bikes, Triben 100 and Rock Rider. Comparison of these two bikes I will do while riding these two bikes. One bike I am going to ride and another bike my son is going to ride. During our journey, we are going to exchange these bikes and to test which bike is easy for riding, especially for long distance. First, let me begin with Rock Rider MTB description here. Rock Rider MTB, here you can see my son is riding the size S bike, though he is 5 feet 10 inches tall. In Decathlon store, Rock Rider is available in size S, in size M and as well as in size L. If you are in between 5 to 5.5, then size S is good, and 5.5 to 5.10 M, 5.10 and up to 6.1 you can go with size L. Rock Rider is available in blue color only, and this weight of this bike is approximately 12 kgs without any attachments. If you fix other attachments like stand, belt, then it would weigh at least more than 13 to 14 kilograms. And Rock Rider is a single speed bike, that means it is gearless and it is MTB. It's a mountain bike, so its weight is generally heavy. The bike comes with MTB tires. These tires are suitable for off-road riding as well as even for normal roads. Overall, the ride quality of this bike is good, and riding position is also not very bad. But if you are a tall person and if you are using size S or size M, you may have to bend a lot to ride this bike. So according to your height, you have to select the right size. And brakes are of course very good, but sometimes you may get some kind of noise when you apply this brake. To avoid that, you have to properly clean the rims of the bike. So it is almost all very good, but when you go for long ride, it takes a lot of energy to complete the long rides. Here you can see my son has used this bike even to complete 100 kilometers, but it is not so easy to ride 100 kilometers using Rock Rider, as it is a MTB, as it is also heavy. You need a lot of muscle power to complete 100 kilometers ride using Rock Rider. So Rock Rider is not actually meant for long rides, it is meant for off-road biking. So if you like adventurous off-road biking, then Rock Rider MTB is one of the best options available in Decathlon store for the price 6,999 rupees only. Now let me give you the description about Between Triben 100. The bike which I am riding in this video is size S. It is also available in size M and size L. Depending upon your height, you have to choose size S or size M or size L. And this bike is available in black and white color, and it roughly weighs around 10 kg. As it is a road bike, it weighs lighter than Rock Rider. But if you attach extra accessories like stand and other things, it may weigh 1 or 2 kilograms more. Triben 100 has 7 gears and comes with thumb shifter or index shifter. It has 7 gears, and these 7 gears makes the ride quality and to climb the heights very smooth and very easily. As it is a road bike, you can even go for more than 100 kilometers long ride with 2 or 3 stops. This bike has aero tires. The wheel size is bigger than Rock Rider, so it gives lot of comfort and it provides lot of cushion when you are riding this bike. And the ride quality of this bike is very good, and the riding position is also very good. The brakes are very efficient. To apply sudden brakes and to make this bike to come to standstill, we need little practice, otherwise it may cause even accidents also. So the Triben 100 bike is very good for long drives. It is very comfortable to ride long drives without any kind of problem. Even while climbing up also, the moment you shift gears, the shifting of gears is very smooth and it will allow you to climb the heights without any problem. Triben 100 is good for beginners, and even this road bike is available the cheapest bike in the Decathlon store. So those who love for long rides with little comfort and who prefers the cycle with gates, they can easily go for this bike Triben 100 for the price 19,999 rupees. But it may not be available online. It may be available only in few stores because this bike has been discontinued by Decathlon and they have come with a new model of this bike. Some cosmetic changes they have brought to this bike, and now they are selling Triben RC 100 for 22,999 rupees. By chance, if you find this bike in the store and you would like to purchase a road bike, then definitely you have to go for this bike. We are going to exchange this bike. I am going to take Rock Rider and my son is going to take the Triben 100. Here you can see my son is riding Triben 100. Even though he is climbing height, he has no difficulty to climb heights. But even I am using Rock Rider, but still the moment I started pedaling the Rock Rider fast, I could easily cross him. But Triben has the advantage of gates, so while climbing up he could easily shift the gates and he could move faster than me. So the advantage of having Triben 100 is while climbing up you can shift the gates to lower gates and you can easily go ahead without much problem. Whereas Rock Rider comes with a single speed gear, so you have to completely depend upon your muscle power. After few kilometers, we exchanged the bikes again, and now I am using Triben 100. While climbing the up using Triben 100, I feel very easy to climb because I have shifted the gates down. But you can see here even my son using Rock Rider also not facing that much difficulty to climb heights. So it depends mostly upon the muscle power. I have received many comments for my previous videos. In that, some people have commented that even using my bike also they have completed 100 kilometers ride. Yes, of course, my bike, Rock Rider, Triben, all are just things. If we have strong determination and willpower, we can complete 100 kilometers and more than 100 kilometers ride also, even using an ordinary bicycle. So this is the comparison between Rock Rider MTB and Triben 100. Both are good bikes. If you are strong and if you want to burn more calories, then you can use Rock Rider for long rides. And if you want a little comfort and ease to go for long ride, then you can purchase Triben 100. As it is discontinued, you can go for Triben RC 100. Regarding maintenance of these two bikes, yes, of course, Triben 100 needs lot of maintenance as it has 7 gates, and Rock Rider doesn't require that much maintenance. If you prefer a bike which has less maintenance cost and time, then you could definitely go for Rock Rider. If you don't maintain the bikes properly, then whichever bike you may have, you will definitely going to face problems after a few months. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates and information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, and always remember, stay home, stay safe and stay strong.